Yo everyone, hope you guys are doing well, having a great time. Welcome to Student Gateway. So today we are here with another exciting opportunity. This time this opportunity is from China. It's a fully funded scholarship. So before starting this video, if you're new to our channel, kindly consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming updates. And we just recently, I think yesterday, were live and we were having a Q&A session answering all of your queries. We are unable to answer each and every comment on every video. So we recommend you to come in our live sessions and do ask the questions whatever you have in your mind. So without any delay, let's just talk about today's video. It's a Chinese President Scholarship Program. As from China, we have so many different opportunities coming every year with different names of scholarships like CSE Scholarship, Resident Scholarship, University Scholarship, Government Scholarship, so many different scholarships. Now this time it's Chinese President Scholarship. China is one of the countries, I think, which is offering so many fully funded scholarships to everyone all around the world. Chinese President Scholarship Program 2021, how you're supposed to apply, what they're offering. It's a fully funded scholarship offered by the Ministry of Education, and it's specially from the President of China's fund the scholarship. So the presidential scholarship in China is well-known scholarship. Also, it is one of the largest scholarships. You can apply for Chinese scholarship without IELTS and TOEFL exam. And the scholarship is available at various universities in China. All of the universities will be given right below. And it is a scholarship for international students. A wide variety of fields and studies and majors are available at the University of China. The scholarship period for undergraduate is 4 years, MS 2 years, PhD 3 years. And China also plans to about 20,000 scholarships in the year 2021. So if you want to be in those lucky numbers, you should start working on it. Scholarship country is China. This is funded by the President of China, and the levels are bachelor's, master's and PhD, fully funded, different for each university. And financial coverage is fully funded, free on-campus accommodation, monthly stipends for different degree holders with different range of money, I would say. Available academic fields, degree in material science and engineering, degree in petrochemical technology, computer science, communication, energy, design, science, civil engineering, electrical, so many different fields. You can just kind of scroll whatever you like. So if we talk about the eligibility criteria, applicant should not be a Chinese citizen. Any international student can apply. The application need to be in healthy condition physically, should be high graduate, under 25 years when applying for bachelor's program, and also applying for master's you have an age limit of 35. Application for studying doctoral must have a master's degree and of 40 years of age. Excellent achievement in studies, comparative good ability of researching. Applicant must not be holding any other scholarship if you're applying for this particular scholarship. So how we are basically supposed to apply? These are the list of the universities which are offering scholarships. This university is offering for bachelor's, master's, PhD. This is the name of the universities, and the deadline of every university is different from another university. So you have to check first of all the details of every university, right? When you check out the details about every university, overall the application process is pretty much the same. We have, I think, already opened up this page right here. So this is from this university. The application process will be explaining. Criteria and eligibility we have already described. The full scholarship, partial scholarship, bachelor's, master's program. For example, we are interested in master's. Let's just check out what master program this university is offering. We have to check out these programs and the list of English taught programs as well. We can also check that as well. And these are the courses this university is offering. College of Arts, Fine Arts, program duration, program code, academic category, and requirements HSK 5. I think these are the programs in Chinese language. So we are interested in English language programs only. So we will be checking out the English language master's taught program. So these are the English taught master program with the professional background in electrical engineering. So I think they don't want anything else. So these are the programs they are offering. If you find out a program of your choice, and it's perfectly fine. If you don't, then I would recommend you to Google about these universities, or you can just kind of click on these universities and go to their official pages and check out whether you meet their condition and this university is offering what you want, and how to apply. And overall, the application process is pretty much the same through the same link, as we'll be getting this link right here, as you can see as well. So all these other universities will also be the scholarship procedure, and the application procedure will be online. And what documents do you require for this scholarship? I have already explained them. This is written right here again. And physical examination form can also be downloaded, or you can also get it from Google. You are supposed to complete this form from any physician near you, and you have to upload this form in the application procedure. And some of the universities need application fees right here, as you can see, which is a non-refundable application fees which you're supposed to pay whether you want to apply. Application without paying will be regarded as uncompleted, so keep that thing in mind. This is the bank account number and everything you need to complete your transaction. 15th of May is the last date for this university. So how we are supposed to apply? We just need to kind of click on this link right here. Where's the link? Yeah, this is the link. When you click on this link, this page will come up right here in front of you. I have already created an account. You can easily create an account by just click on register, accept, go next, enter your credential, receive an email in your inbox, confirm that email, and voila, you have created an account, and just kind of click on sign in. So this is the online application, dormitory reservation, airport pickups, query, whatever. Yeah, we are interested in online application. I agree, go next. Chinese government scholarship, next. Masters, next, and choose a program and kind of go next. And this is the overall application process. Let me add another thing. If you talk about, for example, if you get selected, you can kind of click on airport pickups, nationality, birth date, student number. When you complete the application procedure, you get selected, you pay the application fees. They'll also allot you application number or student number, which you are supposed to put right here. That student number or that student ID will be used everywhere until and unless you are studying in China. So this is the application procedure. It's pretty much easy. I don't think it needs any other explanation, but every university has a separate application, so it's not a centralized application for every university. You have to apply to every university by itself. This is it. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys have still any doubts, questions, or difficulties, you guys can contact us in the comment sections below. Till then, thank you so much for watching, and all the very best.